Hello friends, we hope you all are well. In this video we discuss full guidelines to affiliate marketing. Before starting our video, I request you please like and share our video and don't forget to subscribe us my channel. Let us start our video. In the last video we discuss on SEO. Now in this video we discuss on affiliate market for website. Let us start our video. Discover the world of affiliate market with our ultimate guide. Learn what affiliate marketing is, how it works, and how you can start making money online today. Affiliate marketing is a popular way to make money online by promoting products or services and earning a commission on sales. Here is our ultimate guide to affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? First question. Affiliate marketing is a type of online marketing where you are promote someone else products or services and earn a commission on sales. You can promote products through your websites, blog, social media, or email list. Second, how does affiliate marketing work? When you join an affiliate program, you will receive a unique link that you can use to promote the product. When someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you will earn a commission on the sales. How to choose the right affiliate program? That's a rising question. Look for affiliate programs that offer high quality products or services that are relevant to your audience. Consider the commission rate, payment terms, and support offered by the program. How to promote the affiliate product? There are several ways to promote affiliate products, including writing reviews, creating tutorials, and by sharing these. Friends, the fifth is how to track your affiliate sales. Most affiliate programs provide tracking tools to monitor your sales and earning. You can also use third-party tools like Google Analytics to track your affiliate traffic. How to optimize your affiliate marketing? To optimize your affiliate marketing, focus on promoting products that are relevant to your audience and provide value. Build trust with your audience by creating high quality content and being transparent about your affiliate promotions. How to scale your affiliate marketing? To scale your affiliate marketing, consider expanding your reach by targeting a new audience, creating multiple income streams, and using paid advertising. In conclusion, affiliate marketing is a popular and lucrative way to make money online by following the tips and strategies outlined. In this guide, you can start your affiliate marketing journey and begin earning commission on sales. Friends, I hope you like our video. If you don't like our video, please like and share our videos and don't forget to subscribe us my channel. In the next video we will meet inshallah. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz.